Yo, what's up guys, my name is Akshay Dilip Kumar aka ADK and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing as I'll be posting a lot of beatbox related content and beatbox tutorials on this channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys the zipper sound.
Beatbox.
The zipper sound is one of the easiest sound effects to learn in beatboxing and it really gets the attention of people when you do it on stage. So to do the zipper sound, the first step is to make a weird smile and leave a very small hole at the center of your mouth like as if you were going to drink something using a straw and the next step is to breathe inward through your lungs through the small hole while holding the pressure in your lips to get the zipper sound For you guys, initially it may be sounding more like but that's alright because you people are on the right track and just need to experiment more with the pressure and the radius of the hole in your lips to get the spot to do the sound. And after you guys get the sound, a simple practice pattern would be and an intermediate pattern would be that's pretty much it for this tutorial guys. I hope you people learned this sound or helped you to get started with this sound. And if you people learned something new, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Or if you people got any doubts related to the sound, drop them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram and share this video with your friends who might also want to learn beatboxing. So until the next video, keep learning and beatboxing. Ash.